Rhinohide. This is the new armor lock system. And what I just demonstrated is exactly what it's there for. It's to prevent your vehicle from being scratched. So what is different from this than the previous version that I had on the Land Cruiser? Or is this the same version? It's not. Previously, Rhinohide was magnetic. So you could only mount it to steel vehicles. You couldn't mount it on aluminium or aluminum vehicles. This new armor lock system is, well, fitted with these armor locks. A lot of people think they're drilled into the vehicle. They're not. There is an air gap in between it. That air gap will protect the panel and then it'll absorb it across the panel instead of putting dents into your doors or your paintwork or scratches. Let's talk about the test phase that I've done with the Rhinohide Armor Lock system. That's what I love about it. Now, you're not going to walk around and whack your car with a stick by hand, but you're going to drive around and you're going to scratch the absolute crap out of your car and you're going to whack it with sticks out in the bush. This is the beta set. This is the first set ever made for a Hilux. But I was super keen to get it on because I've had the Mark 1 version, which was a magnetic version. This is not magnetic, this is not bolted to the vehicle. We'll get to the details later, but I want to talk about my test phase first. We put this through a pretty good test. Passing trucks at high speed, went through a lot of water crossings. Water crossings was my biggest fear, but they've never come off. This system here definitely doesn't come off. I had water over the roof at one stage. Driving at high speed, yeah, we did a good test there. This is rated to, on a test track, it's been tested up to 130 kilometers per hour. So it is road rated. Now, when I was up north, there was a stretch of road where there was no one else around. So in the interest of public safety, I gave this a bit of a test. What's that? $1.47 for fuel. Number one, I can park it anywhere, don't have to worry about people opening doors into my vehicle, although the side step does help me a little bit because I'm lifted. But other four-wheel drives, I don't have to worry about it anymore. It looks tough as hell, and it is tough as hell. It gives me this Mad Max armor-plated kind of look. It kind of looks like a vehicle you put like a security team in. It looks bulletproof. It looks like you can shoot at it. Stay tuned. Should we shoot at it? Best thing about this new system is I can leave it on. I don't actually have to take it off. The old product with the magnets, you got to wash it on the other side so you don't get any magnet contact or stuff in between. There was more maintenance with the other one. That's what I'm trying to say. This one here, I can just leave it on. Don't have to worry about it. Yes, I check every now and then if there's chunks of mud in between, but that's all you really got to do. So you can leave it on, no one can flog it either because you get a special key, and we'll get to how that works